Mom, I'm thirsty. What do you have for us to drink?
So what were you guys doing outside?
Making TikToks.
TikToks?
Yeah.
Show me something.
It's not that hard. Swing, step, rock.
Swing, step, rock.
Swing, step, rock.
Swing, step, rock.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you guys feel about, let's make some green monster smoothies, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so our ingredients include spinach. So do you guys know why we do split spinach?
It's healthy.
Okay, I guess so. Okay, well since you gave me that question or that answer, we are going to talk about eating a rainbow today. But while we are going to also be making our green smoothie. So the first thing we need to add into our green smoothie is milk. So you can either use regular milk, which comes from cows, or you can use a plant-based milk. Plant-based milks, there is almond milk, there's soy milk, coconut milk, there's unlimited options. So what we want is to take 1 cup of our milk, and we're gonna add that in. Next, we've got a big handful of spinach.
Don't be shy, put some more.
Don't be shy, put some more. Don't be shy, put some more.
Okay, well, since you said that, let's just add some more. Okay, we've got our orange juice, or you could use Pog. We had Pog in the fridge already, so we're gonna add in some Pog, and we want a half a cup. Okay, guys, quiz time. How many half a cups make 1 cup? 2. I know we raised it, guys, right? We're gonna add half a cup in here. And lastly, we want to add in our frozen banana. So all you do is you can either pre-slice your banana, you can put it in a Ziploc bag and then freeze it. I just put mine whole in the freezer and then I just take them out and they're pretty frozen. So what we're going to do is just add our banana on there. We're going to close our little lid and we're going to turn this on. So our smoothie is almost done. So can you guys remember what ingredients we put into the smoothie?
Why'd you use spinach?
So we use spinach because it helps boost your immune system.
It's Corona time.
It's Corona time.
And it helps restore energy to your body. Any other questions?
Why did you freeze your banana?
So a lot of us go through bananas either really slowly or we just don't have ice, available ice at home. So if you freeze your bananas, you can preserve them, so you can have them for a long time. And you also don't have to use ice because your frozen fruit will replace that ice, but with flavor. So, because I love you guys, I made you guys some Monster Cups.
Monster.
Yep, so we're going to fill our Monster Cups. And we're going to sample. There you go.
I cannot read.
Here you go. Okay, try it. Let me know what you think. What you think, Chase?
More, please.
Back up, man. Back up.
Here you go.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good.
Good?
Yeah.
There you have it. We've got some green smoothies.